Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into collection type of variable. Okay, so I am on pet store collection. Okay, so let me first pick this URI and then add this as an environment variable. Let me add a new environment variable here named pet store. Okay, okay. Then say base URI value. Okay. Now let's go back to our collection and make use of this variable. Okay, so this is first change this variable to pet store environment to pet store QA. Okay, so now it is showing you the pet store value. Okay, so let me first run it and see if this works. Okay, this works. Okay, now I will add one of the variable which is at collection level. So we will add one variable for collection level which is status is available. Okay, so let's say going to write something on this. Okay, say status and say it's available. Okay, and let's go back to the request and let me add a collection variable which is status. Okay, right. So here you can see that it is coming from the collection. Okay, so now let me send this request. Okay, this ran successfully. Okay, so let's talk about the priority of these variable, which is global, collection, and then environment. Okay, the first priority would be given to the global variable. The second would be the collection, and the third would be the environment variable. So suppose we had this have this status in all the places, all three variable type. So first it will try to pick the value from the global. Okay, if it is there, it will pick. If not, then it will check for collection. Okay, if it is there, it will pick. If it is not there, then it will check for the environment variable. If it is there, it will pick the values. So that's the priority. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.